Hey guys, recently I changed the channel name to Scale Customizer, but the manner will stay the same way and will not get changed. And I'll do my best to keep these tutorials as short as it's possible. In today's video we will learn how to apply a fire effect on eyes in Photoshop. So open your picture, choose your background, go to Marquee tool and select elliptical Marquee tool, hold shift and spacebar, drag your mouse cursor up and down to zoom in and out and zoom through her eye. Now draw a circle on her eyes. Get to the tools and select the lasso tool. I cut out some additional parts of the selection. Select the elliptical Marquee tool once again and drag the selection here. Link for this video is in the description. Now right click on your selection and choose to feather the selection by 5 pixels. Again right click on your feather selection and choose to layer via copy. Select the move tool and move your feather layers to here. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Press Ctrl T to resize this colored layer and resize it to fit. Set the blending mode for your layer to overlay. Do the same selecting, blending, cutting and dragging for the next eye too. To see just this layer, hold Alt and click on the eye icon. Now duplicate fire effect layers for the both eyes. Hit Ctrl T to resize them and resize them till the whole of the eyes. Select the eraser tool and fix the settings for it and clear these additional applied effects from your image. So guys, this was the way how to do it. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel to get more updates, and don't forget to comment your problems down below. All the best and good luck.